So in this problem, we are asked to evaluate the integral 0 to 1, the fourth root of u plus 1 quantity squared du. I put down these two formulas because we're going to need to use them in the problem. This is the antiderivative one, and this is the fundamental, or the theorem of calculus equation. Alright, so first we want to put this into simpler terms to solve easier. So I changed the fourth root of u to 1/4 plus 1 squared. And now what we can do here is we can FOIL this out. U to the 1/4 plus 1. So then you get u to the 1/4 squared plus 2u to the 1/4 plus 1. So now what I actually do here is I distribute this 1/4 to the 2, which gives us the integral in the most simplest form. U 1/2 plus 2u to the 1/4 plus 1. And now what we want to do is start evaluating the integral. So now we gotta find the antiderivative of all the parts of this function. And so in doing that, I gave you the equation: any number raised to the power plus 1 divided by that number plus 1. So we do that here. U to the 1/2 plus 1 all over 1/2 plus 1 plus 2u to the 1/4 plus 1 all over 1/4 plus 1. We know just whole numbers turn into just the variable, so u. So we know 1/2 plus 1 equals 3/2. U to the 3/2 all over 3/2 plus 2u 1/4 plus 1 equals 5/4 all over 5/4 plus u. So now over here we get 2 over 3 u to the 3/2 because of reciprocal. And then over here we get 2 over 1 times 4. 8/5. So plus 8/5 u to the 5/4 plus u. So now what we want to do is actually use the fundamental, or the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is the function of b, plugging that into that, minus the function with a plugged into it. So I'm going to start this on this page. So I go 2/3 times 1 3/2 plus 8/5 u, or 1 actually, to the 5/4 plus 1. And you know that plugging 0 into those will just give you 0, so minus 0. And 1 raised to any power is equal to 1, so this makes it easy. So we end up getting 2/3 plus 8/5 plus 1 minus 0. And to make this easier, we got to do all common denominators, which would be 15. Which we get 10 over 15 plus 24 over 15 plus 15 over 15, which ends up giving us 49 over 15. And that is the final answer.